ayaw ko. Let's go. Uli na ako.
Good morning, Philippines!
Look at that. He's going to the fucking car and then he just like pretend that he's buying a fucking... It's just like... Tired. I can't believe him. He's not fucking buying a car or else I fucking divorce him, really. Honestly. It's just I cannot... You know, when you get mad and you wanna cry, and that's what I feel right now. That I wanna cry and mad at him. There you go. He did a car test drive. I'm telling you guys, I'm just really, I'm pissed right now. Galit na galit ako kay Tami kasi pumunta kami dito, sabi ko sa kanya, wag namang yun, bilhan yung... He went out. That guy is asking all his social security, his how much, his yearly salary, where he work, where he live. And now the guy gave her a car that he's been doing. He doesn't want it. He know he doesn't want it, but he really guys, I'm so mad right now, as in. And then there you go. He said, we're gonna test drive. The guy said, let's go test drive. Ito yung binigay na, ang lalaki, binigay si Tami na sasakyan. Hindi si Tami nagsabi na gusto niya yan. Binigay kay Tami para lang makapak na. Sinabi ko sa lalaki. So, ano ito? Pumunta kami dito para ito. Wala akong pakialam guys kung yung lalaki kitang-kita niya nagalit ako, wala akong pakialam kasi alam ko nag-scam sila yung parang sabihin na manalo ka ng TV hindi wala, okay naman sa akin kasi marami kaming TV sa bahay, mayroon kaming extra hindi ginagamit, mayroon pa sa isang bahay na hindi ginagamit, wala naman akong pakialam sa TV. Ang sa akin lang itong si Tami nagpadala sa mga kahit hindi niya kailangan. I know he needs a car but the guy gave him the car that he doesn't even pick. You know, Tami doesn't even look a car thing that this is what I like. The guy just gave her a car to drive and then and Tami went. Boom! Sabi pa ni Tami, punta ka dito sa loob. Sabi ko, ayaw ko. Let's go. Uli na ako. And then ngayon, asan sila? Nag-test drive. Iniwan ako. Buti na lang mayroong sasakyan dito kasi gusto ko talaga iiwan itong si Tami talaga.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So yun, dito pa kami, dito pa ako. Pinuntahan ako ni Tami. Sabi pa niya, pasok daw ako. Wag na akong papasok guys, kasi kapag papasok pa ako guys, alam niyo ba kung anong mangyari? Itong mukha ko guys, hindi mahitsura. Hindi nila madrawing na doon sa loob ng mga tao doon nagpo-push ng car nila. Diba kapag bumili ka ng car, ang mangyayari kapag bumili ka ng car, is titingin ka kung alin yung gusto mo, tingnan mo kung anong color, tingin-tingin. Ito hindi, pinopost talaga kay Tami yung sasakyan na hindi naman namin alam na existed pala yung sasakyan na alien na yan. Doon, nag-test drive sila, test drive, parang mga buang. Kinuha ni Tami yung papel na ano, yung scam na papel nila. Ayoko nang pumasok, kasi kapag papasok pa ako, alam nyo ba? Yung mukha ko talaga. Pati yung lalaki na anuhan ko sa mukha ko, iba pa naman ako pag magalit talaga kasi ay nako mag-iinit itong ulo ko. Pinupush Tami na sasakyan. Ito namang asawa ko guys, nagpauto. Doon, nag-test drive silang dalawa, nag-date. Iwan ko kung saan nag-date, nakabalik naman. Tinawag ko, bahala lagi. Nandun ang lalaki, lumabas sila sa sasakyan, tinawag ko. Ganito ako guys, na hindi ako pretend, wala akong pakialam, hindi ako nagpa-pretend na ano ako, para so lame, parang okay lang naman, oy, bahala ka na, hindi ako ganun. Tinawag ko si Tami, na, bahala talaga, nang lingi lagi sila. And ganito kasi sila mag-question, o ano yung full name mo, email address mo, social security mo, binigay ni Tami. Sabi ko, huwag mong ibigay, binigay talaga ni Tami, bahala siya, social security niya yan, bahala magka-problema siya. O, magkano yung salary mo? The whole year, binigay. Saan ka nagtatrabaho? Binigay. Doon, pinakape, nasayahan. Doon, nakita. Oh. Na, nagkape. Anong klase yan? Hala, he signed something? What the is he signing? He decided without me knowing. I'm gonna fucking end. I don't like you're a couple and then you decide in your own. Yeah. You better just be alone. Ikaw na lang, mag-isa ka sa buhay mo. I know, ganun kayo, kamaldita naman itong babaeng to. Yes, I know. I am very maldita. At saka kapag magalit ako talaga, buong katawan ko nanginginig. Wala na akong pakialam kung sino yung nasa paligid.
Several bad puns later.
Ito na guys, andito na kami, nakaalis na kami doon. Nakaalis na kami. Andito kami sa pizzeria. Kasi nagpipizza. Ayaw ko na magluto. Sino gustong lutuan yan? Sabi pa niya, pinupost daw nila yung sasakyan na para ibenta. At sabi ko, tinitext ko si Tammy, not that car, because that's not the car that we are planning to get. And he's talking to the manager because the manager is giving him a deal, low the price, blah blah blah. And then Tammy told me, oh, they're really gonna give you a TV when you're gonna the car. They're gonna low the price of the car. You know how many TV we have in the house? I told him, you know, mas madami pa tayong TV kaysa nila, office doon. Itong si Tammy nung madala talaga dahil kailangan niya ng sasakyan. Okay, I'm not giving my YouTube salary to him to pay the bills because it's like killing us already. You know, this YouTube channel is the reality YouTube, okay? The reality life I have here. Good life, good time, happy, lovey-loving, mad, something. I don't care who's watching. I don't care. But this is who I am. I'm not gonna control my temper. Like, control your temper. Slow down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. I'm not gonna do that. Well, actually, he doesn't get a car. Because he told the guy, oh, I cannot decide if my wife doesn't agree with me. So I said, come home, let's go please. One last time, Tammy, let's go home. Tinitext ko siya, pinuntahan na naman ako dito, pabalik-balik siya kasi sabi pa ni Tammy, oh, my TV daw, after all this daw, my TV, ibigay daw sa to yung TV. Naluka ako kay Tammy, guys. Yung parang so sabi ko, okay, this is one last time, ha? I will leave the house if you are not going home with me now, or else I will leave you here. Go ahead, if we have a lot of money, go ahead. Buy cars all you need, all you want. Pero buti na lang hindi. Pero pinopost nila guys yung sasakyan talaga guys. Malaking scam. Pinopost pa nila na magka-TV daw kami kapag kukuha ng sasakyan. Bull. At saka pinasign pa si Tammy para i-check yung binigay na ni Tammy lahat ng information. And then pinasign si Tammy para daw credit check. I-check daw yung credit ni Tammy. Kasi kapag i-check yung credit ni Tammy, bababa yan. Kapag may mag-check, bababa yan. So ngayon, andito kami sa I don't know kung makita ninyo, look. Diyan. Nag-order si Tammy ng pizza. Sabi ko, ikaw na. Sabi niya, punta ka. Wala, andito siya. What?
They got chicken bacon ranch. That wasn't it, right? Ranch dressing on it?
No.
No. Then they got bacon a la vodka.
No, it says a bacon something.
I know. I'm asking her, and this is all they have.
What do you think it's good?
I don't know. Why don't you come in and look? Maybe you see something that looks good. Because
No,
I don't remember.
Okay, get that chicken one. No.
No, that's got ranch dressing.
No, there's no ranch.
It's got white dressing on it. You won't
No,
like
there's no. But I know it's a chicken and bacon.
it. You sure it was chicken and bacon? Not
Yeah.
sausage and bacon?
Oh no. You know what it is? Bacon and that round thing. What is that? Pepperoni.
Pepperoni and bacon?
I don't know. Just get whatever, and the plain pizza. Nagsisettle down yung galit ko sa kanya when he said na tawag nito. When he told me na dapat part ako sa pagdesisyon ng pagbili ng car. Pero sinabi ko sa kanya na hindi talaga yung car na gusto namin. Iba talaga yung car na gusto namin. Yung car na gusto ko is maglilis kami, list ba? And then gamitin niya ito, and then kukuha kami ng Jeep Wrangler ba? List. Kasi mura monthly. And then ito, maganda yung mileage itong sasakyan ko. So ito yung gamitin niya para back and forth sa trabaho. Nakarating. Hala, is snow, but there's no snow. Where the snow is?
Don't sound right, doesn't it?
Guys, when I was in the car, I kept texting Tammy, remember? And he told me he showed my text to the guy over there or the people.
Prove how mad they made you.
Did you hear me saying that? How about this one? That's why we came here for. And what did you tell them?
I told them you're part of the decision process, now they piss you off.
And they told him, guys, that I will divorce him.
You said that in your text.
I know, but why you have to tell them?
I didn't tell them, I just showed you your text.
Did you even try this? Let's have a bite.
Try it, tell me what you think.
I have a water. Can I just bite it with my mouth?
Yeah. Well, what else would you bite with your toes?
That's good, but this one, try this Hollywood hunt. It's good, huh?
Have fun.
No.
There's another one there. No, you're trying to give me a good deal. Trying to give me a price that we can both live with. But now you piss her off. now you gotta get her to deal with you.
What? They're laughing at you then after you say that. And then what did they say?
After I read the text, they just screw it.
He's showing my text. I kinda surprised about that. It's like you never show your partner a text to the people. But he showed my text that I will divorce him because I was really pissed, guys. That guy telling me that that's nothing. It's just, he's just like he concentrates and Tommy's pushing Tommy the car to test drive.
They're salespeople.
Yeah, but we came over there. That's what I told her. How about this? We came here for this. So what is this all about? And he just like, you see the video, guys. And we don't even pick the car or we don't even decide what car we test drive. He just posts one car. Hi guys. I'm going to end the vlog. Na ano ako kanina, na 'di ba sobrang ano ko, pero nauli-ulian na ako. Parang nauli-ulian ang tawag sa Tagalog, sa Bisaya Tagalog na ulian. Parang nahuwas-huwasan. Para akong nahimasmasan kasi nahimasmasan ako dahil buti na lang hindi si Tami kumuha ng sasakyan kasi talagang sinabi pa ni Tami sa mga tao doon na hindi siya makakuha ng sasakyan, dapat decision na kasama ako sa decision, ganon-ganon. Kaloka. But anyway guys, I'm going to end this vlog and thank you guys so much for watching, ha. And yeah, hindi ko alam, tingnan nga natin si Tami ko. Anyway guys, i-end ko na itong vlog. Kinausap niya yung kapatid niya. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyayari. But anyway, i-end ko na to and then i-ask ko siya kung anong nangyayari kasi parang na-quiet siya. Parang